Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code DTC P2237 indicates a high voltage issue in the AF sensor, specifically sensor 1, which is a critical component in the vehicle's fuel management system. The AF sensor is primarily responsible for monitoring the air-to-fuel mixture in the engine, determining if the engine is running efficiently or if adjustments are needed for optimum performance and emissions control. Located typically in the exhaust manifold or just before the catalytic converter, this sensor provides real-time data to the powertrain control module, PCM, which then makes adjustments to the fuel injection system. High voltage readings could suggest potential short circuits, damaged wiring, or sensor malfunctions. Proper diagnosis and troubleshooting are essential to ensure the vehicle operates efficiently while meeting emission standards. Always ensure you have a thorough understanding of the system before proceeding with repairs. If you encounter this DTC, a structured approach to diagnostics is critical, as multiple factors could be influencing the high voltage reading. The DTC P2237 signifies a high voltage condition in the AF sensor, also referred to as the air-fuel ratio sensor. This particular sensor plays an essential role in optimizing fuel efficiency and reducing emissions by providing precise measurements of the air-fuel mix to the PCM. The AF sensor is usually positioned in the exhaust system, often before the catalytic converter, making it susceptible to environmental factors such as heat and vibration. This sensor's functionality is crucial, as it influences various parameters within the engine management system. When the sensor reports high voltage, it can lead to improper fuel mixture adjustments, resulting in engine inefficiencies. Furthermore, a malfunctioning sensor can adversely affect fuel consumption and emissions, underscoring the necessity for accurate diagnostics and effective repairs. Several factors could lead to the occurrence of DTC P2237, each warranting thorough investigation. A common cause might be an open or shorted wire in the circuit connecting the AF sensor to the PCM. This wiring issue can disrupt signal transmission, leading to a false high voltage reading. Additionally, a faulty AF sensor itself may generate incorrect voltage levels due to internal failure, necessitating replacement. Furthermore, the PCM may also malfunction, leading to erroneous readings that trigger the DTC. It's vital to assess each of these components methodically to determine the root cause of the high voltage error and to ensure that all connections are sound and intact. Drivers may notice several symptoms when dealing with DTC P2237, indicating a potential issue with the A fuel sensor. One primary symptom is poor engine performance, which may manifest as hesitation, stalling, or a lack of acceleration. These performance drops are often connected to an improper air-fuel mixture, affecting the engine's combustion efficiency. Increased fuel consumption can also be a red flag, as the engine might be forced to work harder to maintain required performance levels due to inaccurate sensor readings. Additionally, the vehicle's check engine light will likely illuminate, serving as an immediate indicator that attention is required. Recognizing these symptoms early can help avoid more severe engine damage and lead to timely repairs. The first troubleshooting step for DTC P2237 involves confirming the issue while ensuring the vehicle is in the correct state. Start by turning the vehicle to on mode, which will power the electrical circuits needed for diagnostics. Next, use a Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the existing DTC, which resets the system and allows for accurate testing of the sensor during subsequent steps. After clearing the DTC, start the engine to initiate the self-checking process. hold the engine speed at approximately 3,000 revolutions per minute, RPM, without load, ensuring that the transmission is in either park, neutral, or idle, depending on the type of transmission. It is essential to monitor the engine until the radiator fan activates, indicating that the engine and associated systems are at an operational state. Finally, check for any pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS again after this procedure, as this will determine whether the P2237 code has reappeared. For the second troubleshooting step, begin by turning the vehicle off to ensure a safe working environment. Next, utilize the HDS to jump the SCS line, which is a safety connector that helps isolate electrical systems. It's important to leave the system in this state for more than 1 minute to reset and prepare for testing. After this waiting period, disconnect the PCM and AF sensor connectors to isolate them from the rest of the system. This disconnection allows for the investigation of the internal circuit paths without interference from other components. In particular, focus on checking for continuity between defined test points, ensuring all connections are intact to prevent false readings. This approach is vital in diagnosing whether an open wire condition exists in the IP line leading to the AF sensor. In the third troubleshooting step, begin by reconnecting the PCM connector, ensuring that all pins are properly seated to avoid intermittent connection issues. After reconnecting, use the HDS to exit the SCS mode, which restores normal operation protocols in the vehicle. Start the engine again and hold the RPM steady at around 3,000 without load, similar to earlier steps, which will ensure the system is functioning under typical conditions. Once the engine is running, measure the voltage between the designated test points. It's essential to check the voltage between the AF sensor's female terminal and body ground to ensure it falls around 0.2 volts or less. If readings are as expected, investigate authorized service information or consider replacing the PCM if a malfunction is suspected. If the readings are outside this range, it indicates that the AF sensor should be replaced instead. Upon completing repairs, it's crucial to conduct a final verification to ensure the issue has been resolved. Start by clearing any DTCs that may have been logged during the troubleshooting and repair process. After clearing these codes, take the vehicle for a thorough test drive under various conditions to verify that everything is functioning correctly. Monitor for any new DTCs that may appear during or after the test drive, as this may indicate lingering issues or new problems. This verification process is vital, as it confirms that the repair addressed the underlying cause of the original DTC P2237 and that the vehicle operates normally. Ensuring no new codes are present at the end of this process guarantees the effectiveness of the repairs conducted. Preventive maintenance is key in avoiding future occurrences of DTC P2237 and related issues. Regular inspections of the AF sensor and its wiring harness can help identify potential wear or damage before it leads to failure. Ensure that connectors are kept clean and free from corrosion, as this can significantly impact electrical connectivity and sensor performance. Additionally, performing routine checks on engine systems can help avoid unpredicted failures and maintain optimal efficiency. By being proactive about maintenance, vehicle owners can potentially save on costly repairs and downtime in the future. Investing time in systematic inspections ensures longevity and dependability of the vehicle's performance. In conclusion, the DTC P2237 highlights a crucial issue within the AF sensor circuit that requires immediate attention. Understanding the role of the AF sensor in regulating air-fuel mixtures is essential for effective diagnostics. The troubleshooting steps provide a structured approach to identifying and resolving the problem, emphasizing the need for careful inspection of wiring and electrical connections. Moreover, implementing preventive maintenance practices can significantly enhance the sensor's longevity and reduce the risk of future malfunctions. By adhering to these guidelines, vehicle owners and technicians can ensure the Honda Civic operates efficiently, adhering to both performance standards and emissions regulations. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.